right, YouTube family, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another bright evening coming live from the village. So get ready for another amazing video, guys. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share my videos to people who you think they may be appropriate to them. You don't have to choose. You can share these videos to any person that you feel can like this content, you know. Yeah, so on to today's video, guys. I'll be washing utensils from this water stream right here. Yeah, it has clean water, so I can't just wash utensils from any point. I can't wash utensils in the river, and yet in the river people wash clothes, they bathe there, so the water is not super clean for utensils. You know, guys, these are things that we use to eat. They have to be washed in a clean environment with clean water, not water that is in the river. So this is what I'll be doing today. I'll be washing these utensils, and that's it. So let's get into this part of wash this video from the start to the end. Comment, like and share, because you guys make me happy. The moment I see your comments, your likes, your shares, like yo you guys are my favorites. Continue watching my content, continue sharing my content, continue supporting my channel, and all of you be blessed. So stay tuned, watch this video from the start to the end. So my people, I'll start with cups. Like that. Then I'll put this place here. I'll fetch water for rinsing the cup. Yes, guys, so let me wash them. Today it's my duty to wash utensils, and you can see that's what I'm doing right now. It's very cold, yeah, it's cold and windy, yeah, cold and windy. I don't know, the weather has started changing all of a sudden. But guys, this is the real life here in the village. This is what I usually do. This is what I do, guys. Yes, and this is the real life. Nothing is fake here. Everything is natural, as it should be. Village life itself. Yeah. Yes, guys. So I started with the cups because the reason why I started with the cups is because just in case the plates and the spoons have oil on them, it doesn't spread to the cups. So that's why it's important to start with the cups first. Yeah, then I'll wash the spoons. I'm trying to hurry up, guys. It's getting cold. It's getting very cold. Kindly, guys, watch my videos. I'm so happy because you guys have watched my videos, and I have reached the watch hours. So I just can't explain the joy that I have in my heart right now. I'm too happy, too excited, guys, and that's all. It's because of you. It's because of you that I'm happy like this, you know. Because of you, my people, that I'm happy like this, you know. Because you people make me happy. You always come back to watch my videos. You always share my videos. You comment. And thank you so much, and be blessed for the love that you show me. Continue sharing my content. continue watching my videos, guys. Yes, and don't be afraid to tell me if you have any other type of content that you would wish me to do, so that you can see. You can comment there and tell me. You can comment and tell me. So the cups are clean now. Now it's time to wash the plates. Oh, this one is wet. The reason why, guys, I wash utensils at the stream, it's because the river is not pure clean for washing items like utensils. The river is never pure clean. Okay, the river usually has clean water, but mostly a lot of activities usually happen there. Wash clothes, people swim, cows drink water from the river. So it's important to make sure that you wash utensils at a water stream that is clean and the water is pure. Yes. This plate has a lot of oil. There is a lot of oil in this plate. Now let me rinse the plate. I'm rinsing them on this other side because the water is super clean. So guys, the reason why we wash utensils at the stream, it's because carrying water is a lot of work. You just feel tired. Yeah, so you usually get tired. So at times you are like I better take these utensils and go wash them at the stream and come back at home without using a lot of energy carrying water in the jerry cans, going back home, washing the utensils from there. For me, I find this easier, carrying them from home, washing them and going back to the utensils to wash the utensils at home. Yeah, this basin is clean. This one is clean now. Yeah. It will stay right there. And so guys, now it's time for me to wash these flat-based cooking pots. If you remember, yeah, so cooking pots, they need a lot of energy. And at times you're tired and guys, no. I hate washing cooking pots because using firewood, at the end of the day there must be smoke, and that smoke will make the cooking pot a bit darker. And for you to remove the smoke from the cooking pot, you need a lot of energy, strength and effort doing that. But this one is not super clean, but I'll use sand because sand at least removes the dirt a bit faster. Let me rinse it. Oh no. Still not super clean, so I'll have to apply soap on it again. just like this. There's fine sand here. Oh guys, if I give you this cooking pot to wash, you wouldn't want to wash it again. It's the hardest. While washing utensils, this is the hardest for sure. But that's the life here, guys. That's the life here in the village. We are used to this. We were brought up doing all this, so we adapted way too early. So we can adapt and we can live in any other country because we are used to this, guys. We are not surprised. You can live in a countryside life, village life, and a modern one. I can survive in both. That's for sure. I can survive in both. It's very windy today. Very windy. Now I'll wash the inside first. Yes. Like this. So guys, you can see our cooking pot is clean now. It's not gray or black at all. Yeah, it's clean now, and that's my duty today. And now you can see I'm done washing everything that I was supposed to do today. Yeah, but it didn't come with a lot, so I'll just so guys, you can see our cooking pot is clean. The utensils right here are clean. Yes! Now let me wash this dish. We go back home. This is a blue soap, guys, right here. This blue soap is mainly used to wash utensils. Yeah. So guys, make sure you watch this video. Make sure you watch my video from the start to the end. Like, comment and share. And thank you so much for, I think by the time I'll be posting this video, by that time I'll be having like 3,000 subscribers. Yeah! I'll be having 3,000 subscribers by the time I'll be posting this video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for 3,000 subscribers, and thank you so much for being loyal and watching my videos from the start to the end, cause I got the watch hours. Thank you so much, my family, my YouTube family. You know what, I can't lie, I'll just be honest with you. I really love you, my YouTube family. Thank you so much for always supporting me, for always watching my content, sharing my content. Thank you so much. Until next time, bye.